This is Jupiter, and it accounts for 0.1% of the mass in our solar system.
Jupiter is 778,330,000 kilometers away from the Sun.
The dark and light bands on Jupiter are actually cold and windy clouds of ammonia and water.
The estimate temperature of the cloud is negative 145 degrees Celsius.
The rings are made of small dark particles that are hard to see unless backlit by the Sun.
Scientists know the mass of Jupiter because they study the gravitational pull it has on other objects.
Because the more mass an object has, the more gravitational pull it will have. At 88,695 miles in diameter, Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is about 11 times smaller than the Sun, which is roughly the size of the ping pong compared to the exercise ball. If you've ever seen pictures of Jupiter, you might notice that it has a great red spot on it. Well, that spot is a continual dust storm that sometimes gets to be the size of the Earth. Without Jupiter, the Earth would be constantly being hit by asteroids and comets. Jupiter is a gas giant made up of mostly hydrogen and helium.
Born from primordial stardust 4.5 billion years ago, Jupiter was the solar system's first planet. And much like its namesake, the king of the ancient Roman gods, Jupiter was destined for greatness. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. At approximately 11 Earths wide, Jupiter has twice the amount of mass as the other planets put together. But unlike Earth and the three other terrestrial worlds, Jupiter has no solid surface. It may not even have a traditionally solid core. Rather, this giant planet may have a dense liquid center surrounded by a worldwide ocean of hydrogen and helium gases. Jupiter's gaseous composition can be observed in its atmosphere. About 44 miles thick, the atmosphere is a canvas of stripes and storms churning across the giant planet. Their colors range between shades of whites, yellows, browns, and reds, all caused by the different chemical makeup of each area. Probably the most iconic feature of Jupiter is a crimson-brown storm that's been raging for over 300 years, the Great Red Spot. It's a giant swirling collection of clouds with wind speeds of up to 400 miles per hour, at least 2.5 times faster than Category 5 hurricanes. Floating hundreds of miles above the storms of Jupiter are about 79 moons, the most of the 8 known planets. The 4 largest moons were discovered by Galileo in 1610. Called the Galilean satellites, they include Io, the most volcanically active celestial body in the solar system, Ganymede, the solar system's largest moon, even larger than the planet Mercury, and Callisto and Europa, which, along with Ganymede, may contain oceans of liquid water underneath their crusts. Jupiter's large collection of moons is only made possible by the planet's massive size and gravitational pull, the strongest of all the planets in the solar system. This incredible gravity also influenced the sizes of the 7 other planets. During the solar system's earliest days, Jupiter, being the first planet to form, attracted and destroyed space debris that would have helped the other planets grow in size. Today, that force may serve as a shield by attracting comets and asteroids onto Jupiter's own surface, preventing them from crashing onto inner planets like Earth. Apart from the Sun, Jupiter has become the dominant figure in the solar system, thereby earning its place at the top of the planetary heap as king.
The end.